Alright, so today we're going to be talking about metric units of length. Meters, millimeters, kilometers, and also centimeters. So let's talk about what a millimeter is. So a millimeter, the edge of a dime, so from right here, so across here, is about 1 millimeter. So the edge of a dime. So think about how small it is when you're talking about 1 millimeter. It's very small unit of length. Now, a centimeter, if you take your finger out and you measure it with a centimeter ruler, the width of your finger from here to here is about 1 centimeter. You remember, I'm using the word about, so it's not exactly 1 centimeter, but it's about 1 centimeter. It lets you know that this is about how long 1 centimeter is. Now, a meter is about the length of a snake. So if I take this snake out and I stretch it from end to end, that is going to be about a meter. Now, when we talk about kilometers, kilometers are very long, very long, almost about the same length as a mile. And so 1 kilometer is about 4 city blocks. So you think about the street that you live on. So think about, because this right here is just 1 block. So 1 block, that means from the end of your street, from the start of your street to the end of your street is 1 block. Then from the start of the next street to the end of that street is another block. So think about that. 4 city blocks. That's a very long way, and that's how long a kilometer is. Now, the last thing we're going to be talking about is, okay, so, well, if a centimeter is this, so then how long is millimeters? So when you look at 1 centimeter, so for every 1 centimeter, you have 10 millimeters. For every meter, you have 100 centimeters. For every meter, you have 1,000 millimeters. And for every 1 kilometer, you have 1,000 meters. And that is the end of our lesson on metric units of length. And remember that metric units of length are used everywhere in the world. Not everywhere in the world. So we use them in the United States, but everyone else in the world uses meters, or they use the metric system. Hey, see you next time. That's the end of our lesson.